Happy Friday everyone, it's Celebration Assembly time again and I'm really looking forward to giving out some certificates to people who have done some excellent work or shown our school values. We've also got brand new certificates, so if you got one last week and you would like one of our new ones, then please just let me know. Let's get started with the certificates. Our first certificate this week goes to Joseph from Wotton A. He has been such a responsible member of the class and he always listens really carefully to instructions. Well done, Joseph. In Wotton B, Evelyn has been a very resilient learner. She keeps trying hard in everything she does, even when it's really tricky or challenging. Well done, Evelyn. Keep going. From Conigal, we say a huge well done to Archie for being so brave and resilient during his first week at school. Well done, Archie. It's lovely to have you at BPS. Chelsea, and also Reuben, you are always the first ones to show you're ready to learn. What brilliant role models for the rest of the class. That's great to hear. What a lot of learning you're going to get done. In Bothen class, Rupert has recently joined us. He's settled in brilliantly and so quickly. He's been a super role model to everyone. Well done, Rupert. You've been really brave and made so many new friends. Now let's look at Year 2. We turn to Allington class. Robert, you have been so resilient with absolutely everything. After your mishap, having your arm in plaster has made everything a lot more challenging, but well done you. Also in Allington, we have a certificate for Harley for a fantastic explanation of what an act of kindness could be. How lovely to hear, Harley. It's time to take a look at Key Stage 2 now, as we go to Chilcombe A. Sapphire, you are here for 2 reasons. Firstly, for being a responsible role model all week, and secondly, for how carefully and respectfully you've listened to others. That's brilliant to hear, Sapphire. We're all really proud of you. Also in Chilcombe A, Oscar has settled into BPS so well. It's lovely to have you here, Oscar. We have also welcomed Lily to Chilcombe A as well. She's settled in beautifully to BPS. Well done, Lily. It's great to have you here as well. Now we have a certificate for Jacob and for Theo. You have both shown creativity in your story sequencing and story writing this week. Everyone is really proud of your hard work and effort. Well done, keep it up. Next up, it's Year 4 and Egerton A. Oscar, I'm so pleased to see you have such a positive attitude to learning. You've shown our value of resilience day after day. Well done. And this certificate, Chloe, is for continuously being a positive role model for all behaviour to absolutely everybody in the school. That's brilliant to hear. From Egerton B, we celebrate George and also Xanthi, who have settled into BPS with a positive and resilient attitude. It's lovely to have you both at the school. Layla, your certificate is for consistently showing our school values through your positive approach to learning. Well done. That concludes Year 4 and we move on to Year 5 to Colmers A and B. In Colmers A, we congratulate Caden for showing great creativity in writing the Bramble poem. I'd really like to have a look at that, Caden, please. Also up is Minnie. Minnie has shown great resilience when writing her poem and also remembering it's okay to ask for help when she needs it. That's really important. The next 2 certificates go to Katie and to Lily. They have both shown a great mindset with their maths this week. They were ready to have a go and knew that they could do it if they kept trying. The teachers have been so impressed with their resilience when solving problems, and it was great to see them choosing resources to help them as well. That's a super effort. Well done to both of you. Finally, we look at our Year 6s. Alfie, you have been so enthusiastic about your maths learning, and you've completed a wide range of maths challenges this week. Your teacher said you were on fire. That's brilliant news. Well done, Alfie. Ruby, I'm so pleased to see that you've been determined to transform your mindset towards maths. You've been so positive and resilient. Well done, Ruby. That's great to hear. In Langdon B, Lily has showed incredible resilience with the dot problem. You've tried over 100 ways to come up with the solution. Wow! And Lewis, you've shown huge levels of responsibility during your first 2 weeks of Year 6. We're really proud of you, Lewis. Well done to you. This very special certificate is for Jessie. Jessie has been selling Rice Krispie cakes to raise money for the RSPCA, and she has raised a huge £150 to help local animals. How fantastic! That's lovely to hear, Jessie. Well done you. I'd also like to mention Benjamin, and Benjamin received a green Blue Peter badge for litter picking and looking after the environment. That's fantastic, Ben. What brilliant recognition from Blue Peter, and showing our value of respect for the environment. That's brilliant. I'm sure that you have lots to be proud of this week as well. Just take a moment to think about the things that have gone really well, the things that you're really proud of. And what is it that you're going to do more of next week? Are you going to make an effort to have a really positive attitude to something that you find tricky or challenging? Are you going to make sure that you're being kind to everybody? Are you going to give your learning absolutely 100% all week? Just take a moment to have a think. I hope you've all had an amazing week and are looking forward to a restful weekend. I know I am. I'll see you all on Monday. Take care.